loud and proud. We always stand out, always up on the look from early in action. This video I just put up and say every day the film from people business cut and clear. Wanna say, I see a ring when I have how much in ears me still have on. But I just want to underestimate my engagement. That's just being bad man. I am the queen. If I can't buy one ring, if they can't buy one ring, I can't pay for one ring for myself because I'm my ring and at the third account. Secondly, if I cannot buy a ring, I can't put up with some name. GoFund me. I GoFund me name. I GoFund. I can't GoFund. Hold a camera and make me talk to them. Put a camera upon me. Stop being bad mind. Stop being hateful. Don't hate, appreciate hate. Are two different things. See ring I want to get for my engagement? Yes, do is June Plum Love. Me say, me make you see what romance is and sister love is still about. And as I say, if I have a one day married and a divorce my back, me don't go and know I'm married. That two ring I have. My queen, all my forever on the same long time ring. I make do it engage me with it. When I idiot, when I see me a successful woman, so I could buy my fiance one ring, same broke and him not have no money. So I not spend my money for buy my own ring. What the fuck? I don't know how long I want married from a little and a girl. Stop being bad mind. The queen I gonna get married one way or the other, cause when God put two somebody together, nobody can cross it. Do it. Love you, baby. Say love you too.
Love you, my darling.
Alright, thank you. Put it down, probably my nephew. Down my youth, hangers, bomber clad. Put it down with them, see me. Yeah. Yeah. See there? Double tap. Double tap. Queen, you're so nice. That's why the man engage you, because you deserve it. Peace out. Who look, I'm sweating. Sweat and look good. So my June Plum love you.
One time.
How you mean? How them feel like, you know, they used to say you're queen. Yeah, thank you very much, troops. Thank you.